great. You know, I think it's really insightful to get the whole breadth of information and the whole process. I think that so often you go through workshops that are singularly focused, that you think, okay, if I do this, then we're golden and we're done, and it's just the brief. And today taught me that it's an enormous process and it all needs to be taken seriously. And that's how you actually push good work and get everyone on board.
The ideal is to be able to get down to a one-word emotional benefit of what your client's product or service is really selling. So it kind of breaks out of what you make into what they're really selling. So Harley Davidson makes motorcycles, but they're really selling rebellion. They'll say freedom, I say rebellion. And it's a badge brand because they're more, bless you, Harley Davidson stickers on cars than there are Harley Davidsons on the road. People buy into what it stands for, even if they can't have one.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit more real. You know, I think that a lot of workshops tend to be clinical. They use marketing jargon. It's as if they read a book and they said, oh, I can go teach that. It's so clear that she has years and years of experience and can speak just passionately to everything. I don't think there was a moment that I thought I could ask a weird question that she wouldn't be able to answer. And in a lot of other workshops, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna shut up because I don't think that you're gonna be able to handle it. Or maybe you can't hear what I'm really trying to say. So I think she's a great listener.
I find it takes me probably the longest to figure out what a magnetic virtue is for my client, but if it's the question that's always swirling in my head, as soon as I nail it, everything else gets easy. I kind of know what everything's going to ladder up to and from, and that's what would drive my one thing we need to tell them, and maybe even the tagline.
Biggest takeaway, that not having time is no excuse. I think that when she was talking about making wiggle room, I think is how she said it, it was like, oh my goodness, there's my biggest excuse right out the window. And even going from your personal calendar of when do you do your best thinking, when do you do your best writing, to, okay, so when do you ask for permission? Do you not ask for permission? Where do you get the budget from? I mean, suddenly there were no excuses, and that is liberating, absolutely liberating. Lynette is a badass, and I want to take every single one of her workshops, and I think I would grow exponentially in my career if I had her and a good glass of rosé every damn day.